I'll be sharing with you guys a guide on how you can take photos alone. This is our setup and this is our view. Ang ganda, di ba guys? So I already did a tutorial on how I take videos alone. Kasi iba naman yung process ko when I take photos because I use a different app for that. Lagi talaga kapag magpipicture ako, naglalagay na ako ng marking o kaya palatandaan lang kung saan ako papasok sa framing. Kasi yun yung struggle, especially that I'm using the back cam of my phone. And then in terms of equipment, I just have my trusty tripod. This is our solo traveling bestie. So, lagi ko itong dala sa mga solo travels ko or even family trips kasi nga, ang hirap na. Walang magtitake ng photos nyo. So, pwede nyo ma-change yung angle niya tapos ilalock nyo na lang siya here sa side. So, pwedeng landscape, portrait, yan. Tapos dito, you can also attach your camera if you have that. But if phone lang, pwede din. Dito mo lang siya i-attach. Another thing that I love about this tripod is that mahaba siya guys. Semi my height. Siguro mga 5 feet tall. You can work with a lot of angles. So when I take photos, I use the Lens Buddy app just because ang ganda ng app na to guys. Sobrang solo travel friendly niya. Pwede kang mag-timer tapos may option din siya na how many seconds siya mag-shoot per picture. May option din na ilang number of photos yung iti-take niya. So if galaw ka lang ng galaw, shoot lang siya ng shoot. So para kang may personal clicker. Pwedeng photo, pwede video. Best part is it's just a free app. Timer siya ng wait siya ng 10 seconds to shoot and go. We just shoot away. Lakad-lakad lang, hour-hour lang. Tapos kunwari gusto ko naglalakad na shot. And you can also create big movements para at least candid yung shot niya. Gusto ko sana umupo, pero kasi umulan. So for sure maputik. Panindigan ko na lang ba? Panindigan na natin, T. So now we check if okay yung framing natin and okay yung photos. And then we do it all over again. So here are the photos that I was able to shoot. Ganun talaga kapag solo travel, guys. So you just really need to do it all over again just to get the perfect shot. Tip is that you just keep on moving, doing poses, like do big poses para hindi awkward tignan sa mga photos. Gawa na din kayo ng maraming options sa parang nakatingin sa malayo, may props, may naglalakad, may tawa-tawa, may jump shot or something. Ang dami din nagtatanong sa akin lagi kung paano ko kinakaya na mag-shoot mag-isa. And I feel like it's also a muscle memory that you have to do over and over again. Para ka nagda-drive, gano'n. Na muscle memory na siya na sa simula kinakabahan ka but once you do it all over again, masasanay ka din. Yun lang ang tip. Just enjoy it and have fun. Let me know if you have other questions in the comments and I would love to answer them. Bye! Happy solo traveling, my loves!